Friends, in this tutorial we'll learn the designing models. Now looking the goods and its for surface designing also. Now first of all we take a sketch and select the sketch. Now select the front plane and draw the center line. Select the center line. Draw the center line with the dimension 150. And now select the spline, select from here and draw the spline. Now with the dimension 80 mm, and now this one is 140 mm. Now close the sketch, finish the sketch, and now from features select the revolve command and revolve it. Now finish it, enter the material from here, metal, steel. Now select the front plane, select the sketch, select the center line, draw the center line. Now select the spline and draw. The sketch. Now close this sketch. Spline is ready. Select the line. Now spline shape is ready. Now mirror it. Select the mirror. Select the curve, select the center line. Now mirror it, finish the sketch. Now select the sketching, finish this one. Now sketch is closed. Now select the right plane and also select the sketch, right side. Now select the spline, right side. Select sketch, right plane. Now select the spline and draw here. Adjust the spline point. Finish the sketch. Now height of, enter the sketch with the dimension from here 95.0. Now same in this drawing, dimension 95.0. Finish the sketch. Now from features, select here project curve, select project curve, and now select the sketch on sketch. Now select the first sketch and select the second sketch. Now you can see the projectile sketch. Now finish this one. Now enter in surface. Now here select the field surface, select the sketch. Now boundary fill with surface. Now finish this one, close. Now from your selected thickness, select this one, enter the thickness 4 mm, 3 mm. Now finish. Now select the fillet from here and select the fillet and edge. Select the radius 1.5, 2.0 mm, now 3.0. Now select the another edges. 1.5. Now finish this one. Now radius appearing only one side, so some problems. Enter here 2.0, 0.5, 2.8. Now this one, finish this radius. Now hide this sketch. Now select from features, select the circular pattern. Now select circular pattern, select the features, selected from here, which is thickness and fillet and thickness. Now select here center line, select this one, and now for number of patterns and selected OK. Now pattern is done. Now same thing, select sketch, select the right plane, draw here, select spline, spline, Now finish this. Now give the dimension from origin, which is a 95, same as previous, 95. Now adjust the exceed the dimension, just the spline, and now ready for it. Now finish this one, finish the sketch. Now show the this sketch, same sketch. Now select the features from here and select the same project codes. Now select this sketch and this sketch. Now projected this and combine it. Now finish this one. Now same procedure, surface, field surface, select this. Now close this sketch, close the field surface. Now finish. Now select the thickness, select this one and 3 mm thickness. Now here unselect the merge result and finish this one. Now provide the radius, select the fillet, feature, this one, and now select this side. This one and this edge is now fillet 2.95, done. Now this is not merge, this is a separate body. So select here direct editing, moves and copies body. Now from here show the center line sketches, and now this sketch is height, hide the sketch. Now center line sketch is so select here body, and now rotate. So select here point, is a line, and now enter here 45 degrees. Now number of copies is 1 and finish this one. Now add this thickness and this curves. Now select here pattern, circular pattern. Now from here unselect this picture and face. Now select the bodies and select this body. Now center, select the center line, this one, 4 number of copies, finish this one. Now enter the material, still, select the pattern, this one, Now add the sketch. Now these all are separate bodies, so merge it, select the features, combine, and now you select the add and select the all. Now yes, now this become a one separate bodies. Now select sketch, and now select the right plane, draw the center line, now take a line, draw here, now give the dimension 20 mm, this one 25. Now finish the sketch. Now select a revolve. Now finish revolve. Now finish this one. Thank you for watching this video.